Cause I'm a boss. Oh, hell no.
Hi guys, it's Yoni and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing a pre-made extra large wig from Mayfair. And this company sent me a bob wig. It's super affordable. This is a lace front wig and I'm going to go ahead and install it for you guys on camera. All my wigs are big head friendly. So if you see me rocking a pre-made wig, that means that it is big head friendly, and not only that, thick hair friendly. So if you have thick hair, long hair, and you have a hard time getting all of your hair under a wig, this video is for you. And you may also want to check out the company that I'm reviewing. I will not be using any form of glue. I will be using hair gel, which has got to be glue, and I'm going to be using the freeze spray. So before I get started, I'm going to be using this airbrush leg spray, and I'm going to be spraying my lace front. And then also I'm taking my Gots to Be Glue gel, my Gots to Be Glued blasting freeze spray, and I'm just going to use this lid. It's literally a candle lid, and I'm just going to put a good size amount in here, and I'm gonna spray. And this is how I make my glue. And I just mix it around so I can avoid using harsh glues on my hairline. And I find this to be easier. I've watched so many videos, so it's like real gooey. I'm gonna spray a little more. So I'm just gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna prepare my hair. So I just gave myself some fresh straight backs. So now that I got my face on, I was on live with you guys, and so I decided to beat my face on live and come back on here and finish up this tutorial slash install. So I'm gonna go ahead and start curling this hair and styling it for you guys. I'm not really sure what I want to do exactly, but I'm liking how it's looking. I didn't use any glue, just gel and freeze spray. Wig turned out and I am freaking loving it. I think it's super cute. It's something short, something sweet, and I just love how I can just run my hands through it. So I'm going to give you guys the specs on this hair. So this is a pre-made wig from Mayfair. It is big head friendly, so they were able to accommodate my size head with my thick hair, and my hair is pretty thick, so for me to be able to stuff all my hair in here and it look this natural, I'm honestly impressed by that alone. This is a Brazilian lace front wig. It is a 13x4 short bob wig, Remy 150% density, and it's transparent lace. And I believe this wig runs between, I believe it's like $45 to about 80 bucks. So this is more on the affordable side lace front wig. I think the wig turned out pretty well, and I really love it. It's short, it's cute, and it's giving me a different look. This would have been cute for brunch, but of course we're quarantined right now, so might as well practice. But this is an affordable unit. unit that I think anybody out here that is looking to do like more of a beginner friendly type of unit, this is what you should go for. I did bleach the knots, but that was about it, and I did pluck a little bit, but not too much, but enough, and I'm loving how this unit turned out. Make sure you check out Mayfair. I'll make sure to leave all information down below in the description box. Bye guys.